guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm sorry that this one is a little bit late and a little bit off schedule this week. I've had the most craziest few weeks. There's just a lot happening, full stop. There's just a lot happening in my personal life. I'm trying my best to stay on schedule. I pre-recorded a film last weekend to go up this Monday, and it was more of a chatty video, sort of like a get to know me kind of video, just so that you can sort of get a sense of who I am as a person. True to form, it didn't go up, and that's just because I didn't feel like I did it any justice. I mean, I was touching on some really important issues that I feel need to be talked about, especially on YouTube. But because of the place that I've been in for the past month, but the past 2 weeks, I've sort of been in a really awful place. I've had a lot of anxiety that I've been dealing with, and if anything, I just want to give myself a pat on the back, just because I have managed to film this video and I am putting this out there, even though I'm a little bit late. But yeah, aside from all of that stuff that's going on, which is like, we'll just leave it there to the side for a second. Today's look is sort of like a date night inspired makeup look. I guess I'm feeling a little bit fierce today. So I went with the full eyeliner shebang. I played with colours that I don't normally play with, so I used a lot of mauve tones, and even with my lips, I've got quite a dark mauvey lip on, which is so unlike me. If you know me, you know that I tend to stay away from any kind of mauvey tones, but I don't know, I guess I quite like how this look has turned out, and it really complements the top that I'm wearing. This is actually from H&M. I love it. It says positivity. Let me try that again. It says positivity, especially where I'm at right now in myself. I'm channeling all the positive energy that I have, and I'm just putting it out there. That is so cheesy, but I guess that's just me. Yeah, so if you guys want to know how I created this look today, this is really ideal for sort of like a date night look. I'm actually heading to the movies tonight, and I'm gonna go watch Black Panther. I love Marvel movies, so I'm really excited to go and watch Black Panther. I'm sure that it's not going to disappoint me, but I'm really excited for today. Yeah, this is basically the look. If you want to see how I created this look today, then please keep on watching. So guys, I've already prepped my base and done my eyebrows, and I'm taking the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Edition palette and using this mauve shade called Shy. And I'm applying that all over my lid up into my crease, blending that out with a fluffy brush. I find that these eyeshadows are really pigmented and they really show up well, true to form, on Asian skin tones. So I'm just blending that out in my crease and building the colour up before going in with the shade Beige, just to clear up around the eyes so that it looks nice and blended. Then I'm taking the shade Bossy, which is sort of like a berry shade, a deeper berry shade, and I'm applying this into the outer V of the eye, so the outer third, and I'm bringing that inwards. Notice how I'm also dragging this slightly onto my lid, but that's just because I've got super big eyes. And then blend it all out using a fluffy brush so that everything looks blended. Next, I'm going back in with the shade Shy, and I'm applying this under my lash line to make the whole look tie together and look more uniform. I'm also going back in with the shade Bossy just to slightly intensify the outer third part of the eye as well. Next, I'm taking the BOBBI BROWN Smoky Kajal Liner in Noir, and I'm lining my upper and lower lash line, waterlines, lash line. I used black because my eyes are dark brown and I wanted to make them pop. And you don't need to worry about being neat when it comes to lining your upper lash line, just because we are going to smoke this out in a moment. And so here I've taken a smoky eyeliner brush and I'm smoking out that upper lash line and bottom lash line. I really love using this technique just because I find it's really quick and easy and you're out the door. I've just curled my lashes and applied the L'Oreal False Lash Sculpt mascara. Before going in with my Modern Renaissance palette, I'm taking this beautiful golden shade called Primavera and I'm applying that to my tear ducts to highlight. There's one thing about me you have to know, and I just love an inner corner that is popping. Next, I'm taking the Smashbox Crush on Blush palette, and I'm taking the bronzer shade, which is called Suntan, and bronzing up my face just so that it matches my neck. So the usual places: cheekbones, the temples, and jawline. Oh my god, I love this brush so much. It's the Zoeva 106 powder brush, and I love it for bronzing. It's so soft, and it literally feels like feathers on your skin. I can't even, it looks like I'm going quite rough, but it's a super soft brush, and it diffuses the bronzer beautifully, so it looks really seamless. So yeah, that's a little bit of information for you. Next, I'm taking the Kat Von D, this is the Shade and Light contour palette, and I'm taking the two lighter shades just to contour my cheekbones very slightly. I don't really like an overly contoured face on myself, so yeah, I'm just taking this Zoeva brush, I'm not sure what it's called, but I'm using that to contour just the very deepest parts of my cheekbones. I don't really know why I included this bit. I think it's because I wanted you to see what my eyes look like when I look down. But I'm taking the MAC lip pencil in the shade Soar. I love this lip pencil. It's great for any kind of mauve looks, just like a Your Lips But Better sort of lip pencil. There's not really much else to say except I'm lining my lips before going in with this Jeffree Star Velour liquid lipstick in the shade Androgyny, which I do not like the smell of, can I just say. It really stinks. And then I'm taking this other liquid lipstick from NYX, I believe it's in the shade Zurich, and I'm applying that to the centre of my lips, and ba-bam, ba-bam, we are ready to roll. Are we on? Are we rolling? So guys, that completes this video for this week. If you do want to see any sort of chatty videos, please let me know. I'm actually hoping to start a series of videos on my channel tackling sort of mental health related issues. So if you've got any questions, any personal questions, then yeah, hit me up on my Instagram. My handle is thatmaragirl. I don't know where on the screen that it will be, but it will be here somewhere. Send me a message through if there's something or a topic that you'd like me to discuss on this channel. I want this to be a really open place. My mum always says that we're either vacuum cleaners or radiators, so I want this channel to just radiate positivity, and I want us to be able to talk about really important issues. If there's anything or a certain topic that you feel is not given enough coverage on broadcasting sites like YouTube, then do let me know. Leave a comment below as well. I love it when you leave me comments. I read every single one of them. And yeah guys, as always, it's been lovely spending time with you this week, and I will see you all again in my next video. Bye. Mwah.